Hey guys, Jimmy Yin here, the acupuncture neurology specialist, and today's Tuesday. So Tuesday, we're going to talk about Treatment Tuesday. And so Donna was asking about, okay, I did a post about how I eliminated my knee pain without acupuncture. And so we're going to do another post about how do you remove your lower back pain without acupuncture, something that's a DIY, do it yourself. All you need is your two hands, right? You don't need any other tools, and you can actually reduce your lower back pain, if not eliminate it, just with your hands. So there's so many different microsystems in our bodies, right? A microsystem is basically a small area can image the whole body. And one microsystem that most people are familiar with is reflexology, right? So reflexology is the bottom of your foot. There's certain points on your foot that correlate to every part of your body. And so, by doing pressure on your foot, reflexology, you can actually help eliminate some of those ailments, right? So we're going to continue on what I did last week. Last week was using the middle finger for your knee, right? Well, you can still use a middle finger for your lower back also, right? So try that. You can do, instead of, I was focusing on the joints of the middle finger for your knee, right? Well, your back, guess what? The back, your lower back is also filled with joints. So you can squeeze all of these joints, okay? You've got so many joints here, 1, 2, 3 joints in your finger. You squeeze all of them, just find the one that really hurts and squeeze it as hard as you can, and then move your back, okay? Move your back, twist it. Actually, move your back, twist your back before you squeeze it. That way you will know that this works, okay? This is our quick relief acupressure, our QRA acupressure. So if this finger doesn't work, then you go to your index finger and squeeze on those joints, okay? Squeeze on all those joints and then move, hold it for 10 seconds, squeeze on all the joints for 10 seconds, and then move around, twist around and check your back and see if it, bend down, bend back, and just see if it works. It should instantly relieve it. That's why it's called quick relief acupressure. If it doesn't quickly relieve it, then you're not on the right joint. If that doesn't work, go on your ring finger. Ring fingers, how many joints do you have in your hands, right? So go on your fingers and push all over your hands on those joints, because those joints. Now let's say you have your pain is mostly in the back of your muscles, not in your spine, but your muscles. Guess what? We got muscles here. We got muscles on the middle finger. So you want to push on the muscle part of your middle finger. Like treats like. So if you got a bone problem, you press the bone. If you got a muscle problem, you press the muscle. So if your lower back muscles are spasming, okay, so like right here, besides along the spine, then you're going to get your middle finger and you're going to push on these muscles. Push on the muscle part, this part right here, this muscle part. Squeeze on the muscle part. And then twist again, twist and see if it works, okay? If the middle finger doesn't work, use index finger, press on the muscle. You got not 5 fingers, you got 10 fingers to push, okay? One of these fingers will work for your lower back, guaranteed. If it doesn't work, you're not pushing hard enough, okay? So push on your ring finger, push on the muscles, okay? Find that tender muscle and squeeze on it, If you don't like to inflict pain upon yourself, go ask your spouse. I'm pretty sure your spouse will be more than happy to squeeze on your fingers and elicit some pain on you, right? Or your kids, right? So do that. You got 10 fingers. This is just one technique, guys. I've got hundreds, thousands of techniques, but this is just one. DIY lower back pain. Eliminate your lower back pain. Comment below. Let me know if it works. Let me know which finger actually worked for your back. And share this post to someone who has back pain, right? Before they're going to seek treatments elsewhere, do these DIY because they can be super beneficial and you can get that instant relief. All right, guys, Jimmy Yin from Achieve Integrative Health. Achieve Integrative Health. And as always, remember, everything in life is achievable, but it's up to you to make it happen. So let's go make it happen.